It is I. Welcome back to a new unboxing video. My name is Prism, and I am back with a new alarm in hand. This is a Faraday 6220 horn strobe, and this is the first generation, like the horn, how do I word this? A first generation hybrid horn. Kind of like on a 40-on-3 9219, but different. Kind of like, it's like similar to the 40-on-3 9202. And you'll see what I mean in a second. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight unboxing. Yeah, that was bad. Why did I choose packing tape or duct tape as to censor out the information? Actually, I might be getting somewhere. Gotta make sure I don't accidentally show personal information. Okay, looks like I'm clear. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Is that good? There we go. There we go. Whoops. There we go. Right here is a Faraday. Oh. Right here is a Faraday 6220 horn strobe. And the grill is detachable. And here's what I mean by the horn being different. It is one of this style horn with the screws on the side. This looks very interesting. And I'm glad to have this. Now I'm going to take off the grill. Here's one more quick look at the horn and the label. And let's go ahead and look at the grill. So this is the strobe grill. As you can see, there's the Faraday logo. And the sticker is a bit bent here, but I can fix that. And it looks like this is a 15 candela strobe, or 1575, judging by the bulb here to spread out the light. And the model of the strobe grill is 5512W, and this runs on 24 volts DC. And looks like there's some dust there. I'll have to clean that off. But this is a really cool device, and I'm going to put the grill back on the horn. Okay, now I've put the strobe grill back on, and now I have it wired up. So in a second, I'm about to test this for the very first time. In 3, 2, 1. Slow pitch and a little bit raspy, but other than that, I really like this device a lot. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace out.